Hello children, welcome to Little Bird English School. Today I am going to teach you subject EVS of standard 3rd, lesson number 9. It is raining. Let's read the chapter and understand it in detail. Children, Appu ate bananas. Who is Appu? Here Appu is an elephant. Okay, so an elephant and Appu ate bananas. Appu like bananas very much. Elephant Appu like bananas very much. He plucks and eats bananas from trees every day. So he plucks and eats bananas from the trees every day. One day he saw that the banana trees were drooping. One day elephant Appu saw that the banana trees were drooping. Drooping means not in the original position. Its leaves were falling down. Okay. It had not rained for a long time. Why the banana trees were drooping? Because it has not rained for a long time. बारिश नहीं हुई थी बहुत टाइम से. इसकी वजह से जो झाड़ के पत्ते और वो जो डालियां थी, ब्रांचेस थी, they were drooping. Okay. I must get water in my trunk, said Appu. What Appu said? That I must get water in my trunk. He started walking towards the river. So to get water, an Appu, who is an Appu elephant, started walking towards the river. Appu drank water till he was happy. Appu drank the water till he was happy. He bathed his body with his trunk. He bathed his body. Look at the picture. You can see here the elephant is bathing, okay, with its trunk. Now next, then he carried water in his trunk and poured it on the banana trees. So he carried water from the river and poured the water on the banana's tree. As soon as the banana tree got water, they came alive. The banana tree came to its original position after getting water. Appu said, from now on, I will get water for you every day. Appu said to banana trees that from now onwards, I will bring water for you every day. After all, you also give me ripe and tasty banana. After all, you are also giving me ripe and tasty bananas. Turn the page, children. What will happen if the banana trees do not get water? Children, what will happen if banana trees do not get water? If the banana trees do not get water, they droop, dry up, and their leaves fall off. Next question. Where do plants get water which grow around your house? The plant which grow around your house, where they are getting water? Plants growing around my house get water mostly from rain. From where they are getting water? From rain. Children, rain is the main source of water. We water some small bushes also. Have you seen animal drinking water? Where? Children, have you seen animal drinking water? Where you have seen that animals are drinking water? Yes, I have seen animal drinking water from a lake, a river, and a water. Have you ever given water to any animals? Children, have you ever given water to any animals? If yes, how does the animal drink water? Yes, I have given water to my pet cow. It drinks water with its mouth. You read in the story that Appu watered the banana trees. You have seen that Appu watered whom? Banana tree. Then where do other plants get water from? So children, from where do other plants get water? Plants mostly get water from rain. When it rains, plants seem to get a new look. Let us read a poem and recite. Children, let's start and read a poem and recite. Clouds, white and black, the clouds arrive in a magic pack. Dog, deers, elephant, horse. Sometimes they look like deers. Some by running here and there. Here is a description, beautiful poem about clouds. That they are white and black in color. The cloud arrive in a magic pack. Dog, deers, elephant, horse. Sometimes they look like deers. Here Sometimes cloud look like deers. Sometimes it look like dog. It look like elephant. It look like horse. By running, sometimes they look like deers. By running here and there, the clouds arrive. In moment they come. In moment they go. In short span of time they come. While they go. Sometimes not seen for a month. And sometimes clouds are not seen for a month. Sometimes they freeze and for a week they stay. Sometimes they stay for a week also. In the sky, the clouds arrive. Sometimes they roar. Sometimes they pour. Sometimes they thunder. Spreading the colors. In a rainbow of wonders. We see a very beautiful rainbow in the sky. And sometimes they hail. The trees shed their leaves. When trees shed their leaves, the cloud arrive in a magic pack. White and black. They are white and black in color. Turn the page. Seen in poem. What have you seen in the clouds? Children, what have you seen in the clouds? You have to write. What do all the clouds do? What all the clouds do? How do you feel when it rains? Have you ever seen a rainbow? Children, have you ever seen a rainbow? When can you see a rainbow? What happens when it rains? What do you see when it rains? It is very easy question. You have to do it by yourself, okay? Apart from clouds, what do you see in the rains? Children, apart from cloud, what do you see? When it rains, making paper boat and floating them on water is really fun. When it rains, you have seen the children are making paper boat and floating them, and they are enjoying, isn't it? Thank you. Have a nice day.